A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to the English class. So, children, in the previous class, we have learned about Manu and his family. Chapter number 1, Manu and his family, from your first semester textbook. Yes, children? So, children, in today's class, we are going to learn an evaluation part of this chapter. So, children, in this class, we are going to discuss an evaluation part of this chapter. Okay, children. So, let's discuss here what we have to do, children. We have to take the right options to complete these sentences. Yes. So, they have given 5 sentences and its options. So, what we have to do? We have to read these sentences and we have to take the right options. Okay, children, we have to take the right options. So, now let's read the first sentence. The first sentence is Manu's father works in a central school. Yes, option A is right. So now the second sentence is Mita is 2 years old or 10 months old. She is 10 months old. Yes. So option B is right. Manu's pet is his teddy bear or his dog called Spot. So now tell me, children, which option is right here? Yes, you are right. Option number B is right. Manu has a pet. Its name is Spot. Yes, Manu's pet name is Spot. Yes, he has a pet called Spot. So his dog is his pet. Yes. So children, now here Manu's pet is his dog and the name of his pet is Spot. Yes. So children, option B is right. Now read the fourth sentence. Manu, Mita and Spot go to the park with Manu is the name of a boy. Yes. Mita is Manu's sister and Spot is a Manu's pet. Yes. So the dog name is Spot. So tell me, Manu, Mita and Spot go to the park with grandma or grandpa? Yes, children, you are right. Option B is right. They go to the park with grandpa. Yes. So now last one, fifth sentence. Who would like to read? Manu likes to read books or look at the words and pictures. Yes, tell me. Manu likes to look at the words and pictures. Yes, option B is right here. So children, now let's move to the language in use. Okay. So here, language in use. Okay. So children, read these sentences. Read these sentences. Okay. This is Manu. This is Manu. He lives in Ranchi. This is his house. So children, now tell me, the highlighted words are naming words. Yes, means Manu is the name of a person. Yes, like your name is Sheetal, your name is Ananya. Yes, so like there are so many names. Yes, so children, the highlighted words are naming words. Name of a people, places, animals and things are called naming words. So children, see, Manu is the name of a person. Yes, Ananya is the name of a person. So these words are called naming words. Why? Because name of a people are called naming words. Like that, name of a word, name of a places, name of a animals and name of a things are called naming words. Okay, children. So here Manu, Ranchi and house. So these highlighted words are naming words. So Ranchi is the name of a place. Yes. So children, house. So these all are naming words. Okay, children, is that clear? Name of a person, place, thing, animals are called naming words. Like you lives in Chikkodi. Chikkodi is a naming word. Why? Because it is name of a place. Yes, your name is Mita, means your name is Sakshi. So Sakshi, Mita, these are naming words because this is a name of a person. Yes, children. Now let's turn the page number 7. Okay. So here what you have to do, children? We have to match the pictures with their names. Okay. What we have to do? We have to match the pictures with their names. So here sun, where is sun? Yes. Then apple, where is apple? Then car, match the car with the word yes, cat. So children, what we have to do? Match the pictures with their names. Yes. So here baby. Okay. Now let's do B section. Okay. Colors the boxes that have naming words. So children, what is mean by naming words? Naming words means a name of a person, place, thing and animals is called naming words. So children, we will learn about nouns and about naming words in deeply in our next video. Okay, children. So now see here what we have to do. We have to color the boxes, okay, that have naming words. So here a name of a place, name of a person, place, thing or animal is called naming words. So children, now let's find out the name of a place. Yes, Mumbai is the name of a place. Then park is also a place. Then grandpa is also a name of a person. Yes, so Mumbai, park, grandpa, these are called naming words. So here they have given one example. Yes, mother is also a name of a person. So they have, what we have to do? We have to color the boxes. Okay, children, let's do it. So which color? Purple. Okay. Now let's fill these boxes. Okay. Grandpa. Yes. Park. Then Mumbai. Yes, because Mumbai is the name of a place. So children, now let's move to the next part. See here, read these sentences. So children, now what we have to do? We have to read these sentences. Okay. So let's read these sentences. First sentence is, see this boy. Yes. Yes. I am Ravi. He is Ravi. Okay. I am Ravi. You are my uncle. I am Ravi. You are my uncle. I am Nita. You are my aunt. So, when I is used, children, am should follow. When we use I, am should follow. Then when we use you, R should follow. Okay, children. So, when we use I, am should follow, and when we use you, R should follow. Okay. I am Ravi. You are my uncle. I am Nita. You are my aunt. Okay, children. Now, let's move to the next page. Okay. Page number. So, children, now page number. Yes. Now, open the page number 8. So, children, see here. Circle the right options. Yes, we have learned that when we used I, am should follow, and when we used you, R should follow. So children, read these sentences and circle the right option. So they have given 4 sentences. So what we have to do? We have to read these 4 sentences and we have to circle the right options. Okay, read the first sentence. I am in class first. Yes, I am in class first. So children, M or R, which one is right here? Which option is right, M or R? Yes, we know that when we use I, M should follow. Yes, so children, I am in class 1. Yes children, so this is right answer. Now read the second. You are a teacher or you are a teacher. Yes, so which option is right? Yes, we know when we use you, R should follow. Yes, so here R is right. Okay children, so here R is right. I am happy or I are happy. No, when we use I, M should follow. So I am happy. You are a singer. Yes children. Now let's move to the D part. Okay. Fill in the blanks with family words. Choose from the box. So children, what you have to do? We have to fill. What we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks with family words which they have given in this box. So what we have to do? We have to choose a words from the box and fill in the blanks. So the first one is father's brother is called uncle. Yes, father's brother is called uncle. Then father's sister is called uncle. Yes, father's sister is called aunt, and father's brother is called uncle. Then mother's brother is called uncle. Yes, father's brother is called uncle, father's sister is called aunt, mother's brother is also called uncle, mother's sister is called aunt, and children of the above means children of your uncle, of your aunt are called cousins. Yes, so children see. Okay, your mother's brother is called uncle, and then your mother's sister is called aunt. Like that, your father's brother is called uncle and father's sister is called aunt. So children of the above means children of your aunt, uncle are called your cousins. Yes children. So now let's come to the E section. Okay, join the words that go together. Join the words that go together. Woman, man, girl, boy, mother, father, sister, brother. Yes, woman, man, girl, boy, mother, father, and sister, brother. Yes. So children, this is a homework for you. Okay. Paste a photograph of your family in the box. Match the names to the people in the photograph. So what you have to do? You have to paste a photograph of your family in this box and match the names to the people in the photograph. So children, this is your homework. Okay. So now let's do the next page. Here they have given some. Yes. So children, there are children here, they have given some rhyming words. Okay. These words have 3 sounds. Say them aloud correctly. Okay. So see here, cat, rat, mat, bet, get, met, bit, fit, lit, lot, hot, caught, but, cut, hut. Yes children, in the previous class means in UKG, LKG you have learned the rhyming words. Yes children. So children, here they have given some rhyming words. So what we have to do? We have to read these words. Okay. So these words have 3 sounds. Cat, rat, mat, bet, get, met, bit, fit, lit, lot, hot, caught, but, cut, hut. So children, work in pairs, practice these dialogues. Okay. So now here writing, come to the next one. Complete this card about yourself. Paste your photograph in the box. So children, this is also your homework. What you have to do? You have to paste a picture of yourself, and what you have to do? You have to write about yourself. Like, I am 5 years old. I studied in which class? I go to which school? You have to fill this. You have to fill this box. Okay. Complete this card about yourself and paste your photograph in the box. So children, this is your homework. Is that clear? So you have to do it. Okay. So children, Now we have completed this evaluation part. So write this question answers in your fair book, okay, and send it to me. Okay, till then stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.